Do you also own a loan agency business and wants to convert more inquiries into leads? Then you are at the right place. Hey guys, welcome to Pabbly. So in today's video, we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot for your loan agency business, and that too in just 3 easy steps. In step 1, we'll learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow, which will automatically reply to our inquiries and help them convert it into our leads. So now without wasting any time, let me take you to my screen and explain you how to create that. Welcome back to my screen. Now before telling you how to create WhatsApp chatbot for your loan agency business, let me give you a quick real life example of how it works. So as on my screen, you can already see a chat flow created. Now I'll directly take you to my WhatsApp and show you how it works. So here on my WhatsApp, I'll write loan details and enter it. So here on my WhatsApp, I'll write loan details and enter it. Now here, as you can see, they have sent me this message. Welcome to Fast Fund Loans. How can we help you today? So firstly, I'll go with apply for loan option. And here I got 3 categories: home loan, vehicle loan and business loan. Firstly, I'll go with home loan option. Now they're asking me to write my full name. So I'll write my full name. Now they're asking me the city. I'll enter my city details. And now I got this message. Thanks for choosing Fast Fund Loans. Our team will contact you within just 12 hours. But now in case if I want to go for vehicle loan option, I'll click on vehicle loan. And again with the same process it continues. But just in case if I want to know for eligibility criteria, I'll click on no eligibility. And now they're asking me my income range. For example, my income range is between 25,000 to 50,000. I click on that. And again they are asking me to write my name. So I'll again mention my name. And now here again they said me that they'll contact me in within just 12 hours. And also if I have some queries or questions, I'll just go up and ask for the consultant. And now they have successfully registered me and also told me that they'll contact me shortly within just 12 hours. So you can also create this WhatsApp chatbot for your loan agency business with just few simple steps. Let me teach you how you can do that. For creating a new chat flow, you have to go on new tab option. Here you have to type pabbly.com/chatflow and enter it. Now we are directed towards this page. Here we have 2 options on the top right hand side corner. Sign up for free is for the new user, and as I already have my account, I'll directly sign in. Now we are directed towards this page. We have to scroll down, go to Pabbly Chatflow and tap on the Access Now button. Now we have landed on the main page of Pabbly Chatflow account. So now here we can see a Add WhatsApp number option on the top right hand side corner, and as we'll touch it, we can see 2 options, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. To know how to connect your WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow, we have separate videos made. Now taking you to the options on the left hand side, and I'll one by one tell you what are these used for. This is the dashboard option, which is used to view overall statistics, manage WhatsApp number and access folder. This is the inbox, where we can see and respond to WhatsApp message from user in real time. This is the contact, where we can manage our contact list and view detailed profiles. This is the team queue, where we can assign chats to specific team members and manage support queues. This is the template option, where we can create and manage message templates approved by WhatsApp. This is the broadcast, where we can send bulk WhatsApp message to the multiple contacts using templates. This is the flow option, which we will use today for making the flows. This is the AI assistant, which uses AI tools to enhance customer response and automate replies. This is the activity log, where we can view all the logs and recent activities and system operations. This is the settings option, where we can configure account, business profile and integrate settings. This is the get help option, where we can access support and resource tutorials, etc. Now let me take you for creating the flow. Here we have to go on the flow option, tap on this arrow, choose the first option, flows. Now we are directed towards this page. Here on the top right hand side corner, we have add flow option. We have to click this, and now we are directed towards our flow builder page. Now here you can see this flow start tag, which will help us start our flow. But before that, do not forget to name your flow, and also I'll give this flow a name of Loan Agency Business Bot and enter it. And you have to remember to toggle this button on to active your flow and also save it with each and every step. Now starting off our flow, this flow start tag have keywords, regex and templates option. So firstly, I'll tell you what are keywords. Keywords are words or phrases that trigger a specific chatbot reply. For example, for a loan agency business bot, we can write here loan, details, consultant, personal loan and many more. but we have to type them manually. Now coming to what are regex. Regex are a smart pattern that matches multiple similar words. For example, if a lead will message us with the whole sentence, automatically our regex will help our WhatsApp chatbot to get triggered. So for regex, we have a special code that is square bracket slash small s slash capital S. We'll close the square bracket and add a plus sign. Also, we have to toggle this button on. Now successfully we have entered our keywords and regex. Now what is choose template? To know it and how to use it, we have separate videos made. You can go out to our YouTube channel and watch it. Now we'll begin with our flow. Here on the top left hand side corner, you can see messages and action section. From this, we'll start our flow. So firstly, I want to write a welcome message for my user. So I'll drag this text button option over here in my flow builder screen and join it with my flow starting tab and write my welcome message over here. Now as you can see, I have written my welcome message. Now I also want to add some buttons for the services. Now here in the button option, I'll give the options of loan, eligibility and consultant. Like this, I have mentioned them successfully. Now firstly, going with apply for the loan option, I'll go to the text button option again and drag it here in my flow builder screen. Now here in the message, I'll ask for the loan categories and give them options in the button. Here you can see I have written home loan, vehicle loan and business loan. Now similarly, I'll move forward with know the eligibility criteria and again drag this text button option here in my flow builder screen and join it with eligibility. Now here I'll ask my user their salary. I have provided them with 3 different range of salaries. Now I'll move forward and ask them a question of their name and also their city they live in. So I'll come to the action section, drag this ask question option over here and join it with both of these options. As you can see, I have joined this question with all 6 of the categories and also both of these options. So now I'll write here the question. As I have asked for the full name, I'll select the custom field as full name, format as text and give the number of attempts 1. Now moving forward with the city question, I'll just copy this question over here, ask my question in the form of city and in the custom field, I'll select city. It will be in the text format as well and I'll give the number of attempts 1. Now I'll join this question with my second question and successfully it's done. Now I want to send my user a message that my team will contact them shortly within just 12 hours. So I'll again go to the messages section, drag this text button option over here in my flow builder screen and join it with my question tag and will write my message over here. As you can see, I have written my message over here, but just in case, if the user just want to book a consultant appointment, I'll let them know that my team will shortly contact them. So I'll again go to the messages section, drag this text button option over here, join it with the message section and write my message. Like this, it's done. Now this is how our flow looks like and now we'll save it and successfully it has been updated. Now I'll directly take it to my WhatsApp screen again and show you how it works. Now here I'll write a full sentence and enter it. Now as you can see, again I got the message and also the same process continues. So if you also own a loan agency business, you can also create a chatbot like this in just few simple steps. I hope this video was informative for you. To connect with us, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. For more questions and queries, you can write us at forum.pabbly.com, and for more pricing related details, you can visit the website mentioned over here. Also, Pabbly Chatflow comes with some free plans, so you can create multiple chatbots for your different businesses. So what are you waiting for? Go try it today.